Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Andy.
Hello.
And today we're going to show you how to make the Shoryu Ramen DIY kit at home.
That's right.
So this is a great kit to make if you can't make it to one of our restaurants at the moment, if you want to create a delicious restaurant experience at home.
Yeah.
So inside we've got everything to make 2 portions of ramen. It's £20
Yeah.
and you can get it delivered to England,
Wales
and parts of Scotland.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. So first of all, the all-important instructions.
Yes, Shoryu Kits.
So it's got step-by-step, 13 steps inside, so really easy. Chilled ice packs.
Yeah, it's reusable.
Yeah, reusable,
Yeah.
so you can put that in your freezer. And the most important thing, the first thing out of the pack, pork broth. This is the Tonkotsu soup stock. How many hours on the boil is this?
12 hours.
12 whole hours.
Yeah.
This is your main part of your ramen. Top secret recipe. Next out of the box are the Ramen noodles. So these are thin and straight. For tonkotsu ramen, they have to be thin and straight. That is the speciality from Hakata. So these are made to our own secret recipe. Andy, what's next?
Yeah, that's the barbecue pork.
This is a char siu.
Barbecue pork.
Yeah, char siu barbecue pork, so that's a topping. And then next in this packaging, just to keep everything nice and safe, the rest of the toppings. So Kikurage mushrooms, so these are the wood ear mushrooms, that's a topping. Then spring onions, so negi, we're going to chop that up later. And finally the red ginger, Beni shoga. Let's start making. Okay, so Andy's got the 400 millilitres of water, step 1, on the hob at the moment, that's coming to the boil. Okay, so step 2 is pouring the stock into the pan.
Yeah. So since this one, there's a congealed fat on it, you can put in a hot water to loosen them so that they will be incorporated well in the stock.
Yeah, so you want to get all the little bits out of the soup packet there. It's a top secret recipe. Our executive chef Kanji spent months and months and months perfecting it.
Yeah.
Learning all the secrets of how to make tonkotsu ramen. So you want to get
That's
every
right.
little bit out. Once that's loose, we're going to open that up and then we're going to pour the stock into that 400 millilitres of water and give it a good mix so that it all gets combined.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to cut the char siu into 6 even slices.
Yeah.
So that's 3 slices for each ramen.
Yeah, that's correct.
Marinated and cooked already in soy, what was it, soy mirin?
Soy sauce, mirin, and sake.
Sake. And then after that, we're going to chop the spring onion. So in a non-stick frying pan, we're going to get that up to a nice heat and we're going to gently brown each side of the char siu pork until it's caramelized. Okay, so that's cooking, looking good?
Yeah, it's sizzling away.
Sizzling away, that's nice. Okay, so Andy's got another pan of water there on the boil,
Yeah, this
and that
one.
is for your noodles.
Yeah, should be boiling as well.
Yeah, so 2 portions we're going to do. You don't have to do both portions at the same time. You can separate it out and save some of the stock for another time, but I mean, it's best to eat fresh. Slightly loosen the noodles so they're compacted tightly together to make sure they stay nice and sturdy and they don't break apart in the packaging. So you want to just slightly give them a little caress, Andy.
Absolutely.
Loosen them up a bit.
Andy's favourite word.
Andy's favourite word. So they've been cooking for 45 seconds. Okay, so we divided evenly between 2 bowls and then we're going to pour over the ramen stock over the noodles. That looks good. We're going to put the toppings on. So what order did you put them on in the restaurant?
I use the Kikurage first, and then the spring onion.
And then the spring onion. Okay, so we'll do it the same way.
Same way.
Same way as the restaurants. Authentic way.
Yeah.
So Kikurage, wood ear mushrooms first, and we try to keep it all in the middle. So you don't need to cover the whole ramen.
Spring onion.
It's not a pizza. Then the spring onion right next to it, all nicely packed up together.
I love spring onion.
That one looks lovely. And then what's next?
The barbecue
The
pork.
pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we get the pork from the fry pan. It's nicely browned on both sides. And then it's 3 slices each. So we're gonna lay them side by side, I think, aren't we? In a bit of a fan.
Yes.
Bit of a fan shape.
Eat with your eyes.
And you eat with your eyes, exactly. That looks really good. Okay, so 3 pieces each. And then the final bit is the Beni shoga, the red ginger in the middle.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep. That's it.
there we go. Okay, so there we have it. Exactly as we serve it in the restaurant.
Amazing.
Same portion, same ingredients, same flavour. There you go, Andy. So there you have it. 2 Shoryu Ganso Tonkotsu ramen,
That's right.
£20, and you can make it at home in your own kitchen.